This is the MegaWise Food Vacuum Sealer, and it just works wonderfully. You get this vacuum sealer machine as well as small bags and larger bags as well. Now let me show you how easy it is to work and how wonderful it is. So we put these 2 pork chops inside the larger bag. Now we're going to open up the unit and put it in this middle area right here. Then we're going to close the unit and lock it into place. Once you hear the clicks on the sides, you know it's good to go. And now you're gonna pick either dry food or moist. Since this is moist, we're going to pick moist, and then you have the option to seal it or vacuum seal it. And we're going to pick vacuum seal. Look how fast it's working. And it's done. Simple as that. Now you just wait a little bit until it finishes sealing, and now it's good to go. So now we're going to push these buttons on both sides to release it, and then you open it, and now it's nice and tight, vacuum sealed, and it's sealed here at the top as well. Let me show you a close-up. There's the seal. Look how nice that came out. Here's a close-up of what it looks like. This is the food button, and you click either moist or dry food. Then this is the seal button, and that's only if you want to seal it. And if you want to do a vacuum seal, you would push this. This is the stop and pulse button, and this is the cutter. The back of the unit is where you attach the cord, and then you plug it into the outlet. This is what the inside looks like, and we're going to be putting the bag into this chamber. Then we're going to close it, and on both sides, you click it closed. When you hear the clicks, that means it's locked in place. There may be times where you need to use this cutter to either cut open the bags or to change the size of it too. Let me show you how it works. You get the bag and you put it on top of the unit. And then you carefully do this and you're good to go. So now this side is open and closed, but this side is open all the way. So what we're going to do is seal it. So we're going to open up the unit. We're going to put it right here, close it, and then we're going to hit the seal button. And now it's working its thing. And now we open it up. And now we have a seal. So now this bag is also closed. This is very easy to use and so convenient too. Now I can put this in the freezer so we can use it next time. I was sent this from MegaWise to evaluate, and I absolutely love it, and I think you will too. It does its job so quickly and perfectly. Thank you for watching, and hope you found this video helpful.